Getting your Texas learner license? Here's the fastest way to do it, step by step. If you're 15 or older and enrolled in a state-approved driver education program, you can apply. Step 1, start your application and book a DMV/DPS appointment in your office if they require one. Bring the essentials: proof of identity, social security number, Texas residency, and parental consent if you're under 18. Step 3, at the office, pass the vision check and the knowledge exam. Our free Texas practice test mirrors the real thing. Step 4, get your photo taken, pay the fee, and you'll receive your learner license. With your permit, you must drive with a licensed 21 plus adult in the front passenger seat. Everyone buckled, no phone in hand. Make it a 10-minute daily habit with Driving-Tests.org. Pass the first time guaranteed.